Okay, we have a Sanyo DP42740. It's a 42-inch plasma TV. Problem is, when you plug it in, it clicks, but you can't turn it on. You try turning it on, nothing happens. Everything I've read on the internet says it's the power supply board, so I ordered another one. Power supply board right here. I've already taken the back cover off. Here's the new power supply board. So we're going to take the old one off, put the new one on, see if it fixes it. Okay, we put the new power supply board in. Now we'll turn it on and see what happens. Okay, we plugged it in. We got an extra click than last time. We got a green light up here on this board. That's the only other thing I see. We didn't see that green light last time. And the green light went out, so it must have turned off. I plugged it in. Turn it on. You just have to give it a minute. It comes on. Shows us what display it's on. We'll switch it to a DVD player here. And it looks like it's working fine. So all it was a power supply.